Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best oil filter is probably one of the most crucial components for maintaining your vehicle's engine health, ensuring that it runs smoothly and efficiently for years to come. This vital part works tirelessly to remove contaminants from your engine oil, preventing abrasive particles from circulating and causing wear and tear on critical engine parts. By trapping dirt, debris, and other impurities, it safeguards your engine's longevity and performance, making it an indispensable element in your car's maintenance routine. Number 5. Briggs & Stratton 492932S Oil Filter. Ensure your engine runs smoothly with this genuine Briggs & Stratton oil filter. It's designed for extended life, providing reliable performance. This is an original equipment manufacturer part from Briggs & Stratton. It guarantees a perfect fit and optimal function for your engine. Experience longer operational periods thanks to its extended life design. This filter helps maintain engine health over time. Before purchasing, please verify compatibility. You can check your engine's operator's manual or the parts list on the Briggs & Stratton website. Keep your equipment running at its best. This oil filter is essential for maintaining peak engine performance and longevity. What we like. This is a genuine Briggs & Stratton OEM part designed for their extended life series engines. If you're looking for guaranteed compatibility and optimal performance with your specific Briggs & Stratton engine, this is the reliable choice. It ensures your engine runs smoothly and lasts longer. What people say. It fits perfectly and feels sturdy. It functions reliably and helps keep my mower running smoothly. This oil filter effectively prolongs engine life by efficiently capturing contaminants. Number 4. Briggs & Stratton 696854 Oil Filter. Ensure your engine runs smoothly with this genuine oil filter. It's designed for optimal performance and longevity. This is a new OEM part, guaranteeing the quality and fit your engine expects. It's the reliable choice for maintenance. Easily replace your old filter with this direct fit. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing setup. This filter is a direct replacement for Briggs & Stratton part number 795890. You can trust it to perform as expected. It also replaces Briggs numbers 92134GS, 92134, and 695396. This makes it a versatile option for many applications. Keep your engine in top condition with regular filter changes. This part ensures clean oil circulation for maximum efficiency. What we like. This genuine Briggs & Stratton oil filter is a direct replacement for several older part numbers, including 795890 and 695396. If you have an older Briggs & Stratton engine and need a straightforward, authentic replacement, this filter offers convenience and peace of mind. It's designed to fit perfectly and maintain original performance. What people say. Perfect fit. It fits my lawn tractor perfectly and was simple to install. No leaks so far. Top quality OEM filter and was a perfect fit for my John Deere Zero Turn. Number 3. Briggs & Stratton 492932 Oil Filter 2-Pack. Keep your engine running smoothly with genuine Briggs & Stratton oil filters. This pack ensures you have a reliable replacement ready when you need it. These are the genuine replacement parts you need, specifically designed for optimal performance. They are compatible with a wide range of lawn mowers and Vanguard engines. Engineered for pressure lubrication systems, these filters provide essential protection for your engine. They are built to meet the high standards of OEM parts. With a height of 2 to 1/4 inches and an outer diameter of 3 inches, these filters are designed for a perfect fit. Their compact size ensures efficient operation. Using genuine OEM parts like these helps extend the life of your engine. This convenient 2-pack means you're always prepared. Maintain your equipment with confidence, knowing you have authentic parts on hand. What we like. Get a great value with this 2-pack of genuine Briggs & Stratton oil filters, specifically the 492932S model. If you own Vanguard small engines or pressure lubrication engines and want to stock up on high-quality, authentic parts, this is an excellent option. It ensures you always have a replacement ready, saving you time and hassle. What people say. OEM quality and good value. The filter is a perfect fit for my Husqvarna YTH22 V46 riding lawn mower. Reliable original equipment oil filters for my riding mower. Solid construction. No issues. Number 2. Briggs & Stratton 492932 oil filter, 3-pack. Ensure your equipment runs smoothly with genuine Briggs & Stratton replacement parts. This is a direct OEM replacement, guaranteeing the quality you expect. This oil filter, part number 492932S, is designed to fit perfectly. It's the ideal choice for maintaining your engine's performance. Get a convenient 3-pack of these essential oil filters. Having spares on hand ensures you're always prepared for maintenance. Protect your engine from harmful contaminants with this high-quality oil filter. It's engineered to capture debris and keep your oil clean. Trust in Briggs & Stratton's legacy of reliability. This filter is built to last and provide consistent protection for your engine. Replacing your oil filter is simple with this OEM part. It's designed for a straightforward installation, saving you time and effort. What we like. This 3-pack of genuine OEM Briggs & Stratton oil filters, part number 492932492932S, offers exceptional value for those who need multiple replacements. If you have compatible engines and prefer to buy in bulk to ensure you're always prepared, this pack is ideal. It provides long-term assurance of genuine quality for your equipment. What people say. Genuine Briggs filter. Fits perfectly. These OEM oil filters are the exact fit for my 22 HP Briggs & Stratton engine. Filters are OEM and are recommended for the engine in my mower. How can you go wrong? Number 1. HOODELL Air Filter Tune-Up Kit for Lawn Mowers. Introducing the HOODELL Air Filter Tune-Up Kit, designed for optimal performance. This kit ensures your equipment runs smoothly and efficiently. Crafted with high-quality materials and rigorously tested, these parts meet OEM standards. They are a perfect fit for various John Deere, Husqvarna, and Craftsman models. This versatile kit is compatible with a wide range of air and oil filters, including specific part numbers for John Deere, Kawasaki, and Husqvarna engines. Featuring a washable foam pre-cleaner and a double-protected air filter, it effectively handles dust and grass. The oil filter captures fine particles, safeguarding your engine. Designed for an exact fit, installation is a breeze, just like the original parts. The oil filter ensures a leak-free seal and premium oil flow, saving you time and effort. You'll receive an oil filter, air filter, foam pre-cleaner, fuel filter, shut-off valve, and fuel line clamps. We also provide friendly and prompt customer service. What we like. This offering is more than just an oil filter, it's a comprehensive tune-up kit that includes an air filter, fuel filter, and more, all designed to OEM standards. If you're looking for a convenient, all-in-one solution to maintain your John Deere or Husqvarna lawn tractor, this kit is perfect. It ensures your engine receives maximum protection and performs at its best with minimal effort. What people say. The filter has a tapered rubber gasket for a snug fit. The mower originally had no fuel shut-off, so that was nice to have now. And the clear visual filter is a great add. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.